And if a bird will fly over you, please do not touch or try to reach the feathers of our birds, okay? It's for the safety of everyone and for the bird. And for those who have selfie sticks, please put down at that. Sir, excuse me, sir, please settle down. Once again, please settle down. No one should roam around. Now this is quite a big eagle we have here. All right, now are you ready? Wait lang, nagbili pa rin sila pa. Now are we ready? All right, presenting our white-bellied sea eagle, Agi. Once again, is our white-bellied sea eagle, Agi. That bird can be found in Southern Asia and Australia. Now, it is primarily white on the head and body, with the gray wings and back held in a strong V shape. Now that bird mainly feed on sea creatures such as fish, sea turtles, and sea snakes. Now guys, please follow our trainer's instructions. Now I would like to request everyone who is up there standing, please follow our trainer's instructions. It's for the safety of everyone and for the bird. Now that bird is known to be an excellent food catcher. Hunter, rather. That is because of its great eyesight, which allows him to catch its prey up to 30 to 100 miles per hour. And as you have noticed, that our trainers are wearing a glove that is called the falconry gauntlet, which protects them from their sharp talons and beaks. Having a wingspan of 2.2 meters, landing himself as the second largest raptor in Australia.